In this video, we're installing sequential turn signals on our Ford Focus ST, and we're gonna show you how to do it. The first step is to lower the side view mirrors down, use this button, and then you can go even towards the car a little bit to help us get to the tabs. Inside the side view mirror, you're going to see these little tabs. Those are the ones that we're gonna need to push up to release the outer part of the side mirror. You're gonna gently push the black part away from the yellow part downwards to release the outer portion of the side mirror. So what I did is I pushed down on this tab and it released it. Now we're gonna move to the other side. All right, once you push down, this is gonna pop off. Just like that. Now it's time for us to remove the OEM side marker, and I wanna show you how it's in there. One side, this side has a little tab, and the other side kind of has this little push tab. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this way, and every kit pretty much gives you a little tool. So what we're gonna do is holding it, we're gonna put this little tool inside here. We're gonna push in and then out, just like that. And then once you get this out, just go ahead and squeeze this and pull out. And it is separated. The next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna get the little bulb and you're just gonna pull out. With our new side marker, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and plug it in. It might be a little tight, but you just gotta push it inside, just like that. And then we're gonna put this part inside here. And this is the part where it's a little tricky. What I do is I put this part in first, and then this just kind of snaps in, just like that. Before we put our cover on, we need to do an operational check, meaning we need to try it out. So let's go try it out. And it's working. Next step is a little tricky, but when you put your cover back on, you have to see all these little parts that need to align. So just be patient with it. If it doesn't come on correctly, you'll know. And there it goes. So you just have to massage it, play with it. Just make sure that these two tabs are in there. You can't see them. And then when you look at the top, it should be lined up like this. There shouldn't be any separation. And you're good to go. And our installation is complete and we love it. Now we're gonna put the link where we got these on Amazon in the description. Definitely recommend them. Now I do have a surprise for you guys. I ordered two because I wanted to try them out, and we have an extra set. And one of you lucky guys can have these for free. The way it works, and only one by the way, is message me on Instagram, and on your profile, I need to make sure you have pictures of a Ford Focus ST. You need to make sure these are going to the right home. And yeah, all you have to do is pay shipping, and one of you guys, the first one to message me and follow me on Instagram, gets these. So thank you for watching. You guys are awesome. Make sure you check out our other videos. We have a lot of videos about the Ford Focus ST installation, upgrades, modifications. So make sure you check those out. All right, take care, stay safe, and we'll talk to you soon.